Hey guys. Okay, so this is. We haven't really thought of a name yet. So what I thought was to call him Mittens, but it's up to you guys. You guys can name our new kitty.
Mitzi. Say if you want to name him Whisker or Mitzi.
No, it's just like, what do you want to name it? It's her. It's a her. So don't name it boy names.
First comment that says it wins.
And this is gonna be our new mascot for the channel, so it's gonna be a pretty big deal, whatever you name it, because it's gonna be the new mascot for the channel.
If it's not a cat, if it's not a good name, we'll get it.
No, there's gonna be like 100 people saying, "Oh, I want this name or this name." Yeah. Come on, just look how cute that face is. Look at it.
Under the drawer thing.
Yeah, it's under the drawer.
We just got it today.
Oh, I'm zooming in. Zooming out the cuteness. Cuteness is overloading. Cuteness. Wait, where are you going? Oh, come out. Come on. Get out from there. Come on. Say hi to the people. Get out. Come on. Okay, so just say what you want this cat to be named. It's pretty cute. It's adorable. Okay, in the most manly way possible. It's freaking adorable.
It's a girl.
It's freaking adorable. In the most manly way possible. I am saying that. Okay. So, I'm not just going to be admiring a cute kitten, which I just want to do so cute. But what I am going to be doing is something else.
I'm not trying to copyright, but I'm watching a video.
Yeah, Connor's watching the video, so if you hear something in the background, that's him. Oh, look at those eyes. He's so cute. Oh, I mean, he's so cute. I'm a man. Okay. Well, get off my foot. It's on my foot. Ooh. We just got him today.
I just said that.
No, you didn't. Connor, stop. You're going to do copyright.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Turn that off. Okay. So, I just want...
Sorry about that, guys. No copyright.
I just want like 10 pictures of this thing and just post it on Facebook. Hello? So, yeah, it's up to you. What do you want to name this cat? What do you want to name this freaking adorable creature? Okay.
I'm wishy.
Okay, so... What I want... As you can see, I want to see the reaction to a cat, a baby cat, to burping. My burping. Okay, let's get started.
Do it loud. Okay,
It's just like, wait.
Crap. It doesn't give a crap.
Wait until it smells the burp. Okay.
I can smell it from up here.
I just stopped and slowed down, like, what is making that awful noise?
Dude, he doesn't give a crap. If you know, he doesn't give a crap, by the way.
Hello? He's just licking himself. It's not even reacting. Okay, biggest burp I can do.
Oh,
One.
I'm scared.
2.
Okay.
3. It like he got scared a little bit there.
Oh my! What have you been eating? 2 seconds later, I smelled it. Is that it of the video?
No.
What else are you gonna do? Do the death burp.
Okay. Devil burp.
That's not a devil burp.
Yeah, it is. You gotta go.
Yeah, that is. Good enough. I can't burp that.
Yeah, Connor doesn't.
Oh my god!
I'm sitting like 5 feet away from Connor and he can smell it. Watch. I'm gonna burp the ABCs and see if it reacts.
tired. Okay, it doesn't give a butthole. So it's just going to go.
This thing doesn't give a crap whether I burp or not. Hey!
Even if you
Cat! React! It needs to be funny.
fart in its mouth, it won't react.
Oh, good thing it hasn't. They haven't had 4D on YouTube yet. If you don't know what 4D is, it's where you can smell what's on the screen.
Yeah.
It smells awful here. It smells like.
I do smell it.
It smells like a. It smells like a. 1 second.
Try and burp into your tablet.
It smells like a cat
What?
died, and then people barfed on it and pooped on it. And that's what it smells like. And then a fish died. Biting my toes. Okay. Final burp.
Loud and dirty.
The cat's just like, what the heck is happening? Kitty.
Ow.
Connor's
He's looking at me though.
just like, what the heck is this idiot doing? Okay.
Well, he pooped on SpongeBob.
Yeah, we had a SpongeBob blanket and he pooped on it.
It was.
Kitty, can you do something? We're being boring. Alright,
It's sleeping next to its doggy.
well, that's the end of this video because this cat will not react to anything.
I know. It's like the. Oh.
1 second. You gotta breathe it. Gotta breathe it. Gotta breathe it. Okay. Let's see how many times Connor can breathe my burp air before he faints or tries to puke. You have to breathe it in. Two! That's a new record. Little chunk of food on your nose there. I think I just threw up a little bit on your face. Alright, well, my mom's coming. End of the video. Say bye to the kitty. Remember, name this cat. It's gonna be the new mascot. That's the end of the video. Can you say meow or goodbye in cat language? No? Well, that's the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye!